Good morning, everybody. So we are on the beautiful 69 Cadillac Eldorado, and it's pink. It's absolutely stunning. So we're trying to fix the debacle of the wiring harness for the radio that was never plugged in. They just kind of gave it a zip strap and plugged it and tucked it up. So as we're trying to figure things out, we see stuff like this. Duct tape. Taping wires together. Adding a switch for whatever reasons. Then you have this one that they put a jumper together to put power together for whatever reasons. I don't even know where this one goes. And then I just noticed there's vampire clips up here. I don't get it. I just don't get it. We don't know which one's power, so we're trying to find a wiring diagram so that we can get, I've already checked a few things out. I got my power probe right here. So we have 3 powers that we've checked out so far that are key on. We need to find a constant power for the memory, which is going to be the yellow. And then you have illumination. And then the blue one here is to trigger the amp or antenna to go up and down. What a mess. And then we have, I think this is a ground wire. No, because it's wrapped up with ones that were cut and spliced. Oh my God. Okay. Wish me luck, everybody.